Hi, I'm Julie from ThermoKitchen, and today we are making my brown rice. So this is fabulous brown rice. It works every time. It's made on manual mode. I'm not using the rice function mode because I think this method works perfectly, and yeah, it's the best way to do it. So to start, we're tapping on the home button and we're on manual mode. And take the lid off, pop our internal steam basket in, and we are sliding across to our scales and tapping on scales. Now I'm going to weigh in 250 grams of brown rice. There we go. Super. And now I'm going to tear that off to 0 and weigh in some water. Now this is just our washing water. So I want to get in about 1200 mils of water. So I'm actually showing you a nifty trick for washing your rice. Don't do that. Okay. Now X out of that and tap on our home. And now we're just going to wash the rice. So I'm just going to turn this on to speed 5. And then up to speed 6. Very good. Now washing the rice gets rid of all the starch from around the outside, cleans the rice, and it also gets rid of any arsenic, and brown rice actually has more arsenic than other rice. So it is really important to wash your brown rice. It doesn't have as much starch on it, so you might be tempted not to wash your brown rice, but it is important. Okay, so pop our brown rice back in there, and we are going to top up now with our water to cook with. Okay, over to our scales, tap the scales, and we're putting 1250 mils in. There we go. X out of the scales, tap on our home button, and now we're going to cook our rice. So we want to put it on for 40 minutes at varoma temperature, speed 4. So tap on here. On the timer goes 40 minutes. Then varoma, and then we turn this to 40 minutes blade speed. And I'll see you back here in 40 minutes. Okay, just use our spatula to lift this out of the bowl. Very good. And there we have it, perfect brown rice. Lovely. Now, this is something that you could always do on the weekend if you wanted to get some prep done. So just cook your brown rice ahead of time, put it in a container, sealed container, and store it in the fridge, and then it makes cooking through the week very, very quick and easy. You've got your brown rice ready, you just cook your dish to go with this and heat this up in the microwave. So it's a little bit of prep to do on the weekend, but it certainly makes it a much quicker, healthier meal if you can add some brown rice to your dish. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If it was white rice you're after, there is also a white rice recipe on YouTube and on my website. If you didn't get any of the details, in the links below, you'll find a link through to the website of the exact recipe as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to join me on our ThermoKitchen Facebook group. Happy cooking!